You know, I often think to myself that it's kind of neat that people have what they call an eye for a good plant. That sense of observation to spot something different. Well, that's exactly what happened at Terra Nova Nursery when Veronica Aspire spotted a sport on Veronica Giles Van Hees. And that was the beginning of this lovely variety of Veronica called Veronica Aspire. Because here's one that is bushy and compact. But when it flowers, as you see, it produces bigger, fatter, brighter colored flowers than the regular Giles Van Hees. And so today we have this very nice little perennial that will grow in sun or in partially shaded situations, though it will be more compact and probably more bushy and freer flowering if you're able to grow it in full sun. The important thing is, if you're going to do that, to put it into some really good fertile soil that's free draining, but above all mix in plenty of organic matter, planting compost, that sort of thing. That's the stuff that it will love to grow in. Then when you plant it, make sure to water it for a few weeks until the plant gets established, and then you'll see it produce these gorgeous big fat spikes of deep rose pink flowers that's going to make your garden come alive with gorgeous color. And the old trick, of course, when the flowers begin to go over, you deadhead them, you snip off the flowers just about a couple of inches off the base, and you'll find then that they'll make new fresh growth and give then a new round of flowering. So if you're looking for a really nice, compact, free flowering, deep pink little spiked Speedwell that's going to make a nice perennial that will come back year after year, look for this one. It's called Veronica Aspire.